Hello.
Good evening, students. Now we will study about land degradation and its causes. When the productivity or fertility of land decreases due to course of time by adopting modern farming, as well as various factors are responsible for that, is known as land degradation. Or simply, in simply term, you can write that when the fertile land convert into barren land is known as land degradation. There are various causes of land degradation. Some general causes are mining activities, overgrazing, over irrigation, adoption of modern farming, as well as deforestation and increase the salinity of soil. When the salinity and saline texture soil in factors increase in soil, then this soil become barren, which lead land degradation. We can understand the land degradation in a very simple example. Suppose a farmer was growing 1000 kg of wheat before 2 years. But now the production is decreasing. Means he is investing same amount of money, his effort is same. But this year he got only 900 kg of wheat. It means that the production of the productivity of land decreases due to course of time. This is known as land degradation. What is the reason behind it? Because farmer has adopted modern farming, overdoses of pesticides, fertilizer, as well as manure. So land degradation is major cause of land of decreasing the productivity of land. Now, causes of land degradation in various states. This has also been asked in exam. Then what is the main reason of land degradation in Punjab? What is the main reason of land degradation in Rajasthan? So firstly, you need to know that what are the special reason of land degradation in various states. So first we will study about over irrigation. Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh are facing the big challenge of land degradation due to over irrigation. I told you already that Punjab and Haryana are leading producer in agriculture terms. So their farmers of Punjab and Haryana as well as Western Uttar Pradesh adopting they don't know the proper management of irrigation system. So due to over irrigation is a major cause of land degradation in this state, means Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Now, if we study about Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, then overgrazing is a big challenge of land degradation. Means overgrazing is responsible for land degradation in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. What is the reason? Because these states have maximum cattle or animal livestock. So, due to overgrazing, these states are facing the big problem of land degradation. Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, as well as Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, the Jharkhand, here mining activities and industrialization is a main cause of land degradation, because due to mining activity and industries, various unwanted components mix in the soil, like in the form of industrial waste. So when this mix in the soil, then it will lead the land degradation, mean the fertile land convert into barren land. So mining activities and industries is also a major cause of land degradation in Bihar, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, because these states are leading states in industrialization. So due to industrial waste, this waste mix up in the soil and make it barren. So these are the main causes of land degradation in various states. Now I will tell you some general causes. Some general causes I told you already. Some general causes means deforestation, adoption of modern farming. Adoption of modern farming is also a very big reason behind land degradation. Due to because on the time of Green Revolution, farmers were suggested to adopt modern farming. So due to overdoses of pesticides, fertilizer and chemical, the land become barren. So modern farming is, for a short period of time it is useful, but for a long period of time it leads the land degradation. So modern farming, deforestation, proper means the farmer don't know the proper management of irrigation, and these are the major causes of land degradation. Thank you.